Hello everyone and welcome back to my English channel, English Courses. In today's video, I want to share with you the different usage of prepositions for, during, and while. As you know, the preposition during, for, and while are often used with time expressions. So let's take a look at the difference in usage between them. To start with, the preposition for. For is a preposition which is used with a period to say how long something goes on. Here we have for 6 years. So here we have for its preposition plus a period of time which is 6 years. For 2 hours. So here 2 hours indicates a period of time for 2 hours. For a week, 4 plus a period of time, a week, to say how long something goes on. Okay, so let's see some example to explain more. Here we have, I have lived in this house for 6 years. So how long? 6 years I am in this house. Okay, so I lived in this house. How long? 6 years. So I have lived in this house for 6 years. The second example, we watched television for 2 hours last night. So last night we watched television for 2 hours, only 2 hours. We watched 2 hours television last night. Okay, so here we indicate how long, which is 2 hours. The third example, Anne is going away for a week in September. So here we indicate how long she will stay for a week. The fourth example, where have you been? I have been waiting for 2 hours. Okay, so 2 hours, or for 2 hours I am waiting for you. How long? 2 hours. Are you going away for the weekend? So if you ask someone if you are going away for the weekend, so mean that you in the weekend you will not be here, you will be away only the weekend. Are you going away for the weekend? Okay, so these are related to for. Now let's talk about during. We use during plus noun to say when. Here not how long but when something happens. When something happens. Here there is during the movie, and remember, with during plus noun, which is the movie, during the movie, during our vacation. So during plus noun, which is our vacation. During night, so during the night, during our vacation, during the movie. So here we have during plus noun to say when something happens. Let's see some examples. I fell asleep during the movie. So when I was watching a movie. At that period, I feel asleep. So during the movie, we met a lot of interesting people during our vacation. So when we were in a vacation, we meet interesting people. The ground is wet. It must have rained during the night. I call you sometimes during the afternoon. So during the afternoon, I call you. Okay, so now let's see the preposition while. We use while to talk about two things that are happening at the same time. So we have two things happen in the same times. Two things. Okay, let's see some examples. Here, we saw Anne while we were waiting for the bus. So here there are two actions. First, we saw Anne. Okay, here the action. We saw Anne where while we were waiting. So in the period or in the time where we saw Anne, or when we was waiting the bus, we saw Anne. Okay, so while we were waiting the bus, we saw Anne. So here we have two actions. While the second example, while you were out, there was a phone call for you. So in the period when you were out, the phone, maybe you lose your phone in home, so your phone or someone was call you, or like that. When we are talking about the future, we use the present, not well, after while. So after while we cannot use well, even if we are talking about the future. Okay, we use the present. What are you going to do while you are waiting? So here we are talking about the future, but we did not use the future well. Okay, what are you going to do while you are waiting? So now let's see, or let's compare the usage of during and while. So here we use while plus subject plus verb, but we use during plus noun. Okay, so here we have I feel asleep while I was watching the television. So I feel asleep. Here we have while plus subject, which is I, plus verb was watching. So I feel asleep while I, which is subject plus verb, I was watching television. Here for during, we use during plus noun, not plus subject. I feel asleep during the movie. So during, and here we have movie, which is noun. Let's see now some examples of during and while. We meet a lot of interesting people during our vacation. So here during our vacation is noun. So during plus noun. Okay, our vacation. We meet a lot of interesting people while we were on vacation. So here while plus a subject, which is we. So while plus subject. Why? Because we use while and we cannot use noun plus it, so we use subject while we were on vacation. Robert suddenly began to feel sick he during the exam. During the exam, here we have a noun during the exam. Robert suddenly began to feel sick while he was taking the exam. So here while plus subject, and here while plus and here during plus noun, which is exam. And this is all for this lesson. Thank you for watching, and I see you in next video inshallah. Bye for now.